Hello everyone, and welcome to Root Learner. Today I'll show you how to create a Droplet or VPS server on the DigitalOcean. Before we start, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before starting, if you are interested in learning, then for you, I'll provide a link below. Click on the link to redeem your free $100 DigitalOcean credits for 2 months. I hope this credit will help you to learn. So, let's start. First, log into your DigitalOcean account. Then from the right sidebar, select Droplets. After that, click on Create Droplets. Now, select your preferred operating system. You can choose any operating system you like. I'll choose Ubuntu as my operating system. From the drop-down menu, you can also select a custom version for your operating system. After that, choose the perfect plan for your need. I'm choosing the shared CPU plan for this tutorial. Now, select your storage type. If you select Premium NVMe SSD, you will get a very good performance. For now, I'm choosing the Premium NVMe SSD, with 2 GB RAM, 1 CPU and 50 GB storage. You can also optionally add extra storage, by clicking on Add Volume. Now, we need to select our data center region. As I live in Bangladesh, so, India is the nearest location to my county, and that's why I'll select India. We will keep the VPC default. Now, for authentication, we have 2 methods available. First one is SSH key, and second one is the password. An SSH key is more secure than password authentication, and also it is recommended to use SSH key authentication on production servers instead of password authentication. But we will use password authentication for this tutorial, and if you are interested to learn about SSH key authentication, let me know in the comment. I'll make another video on SSH authentication. Now, we can add some additional free options to our Droplet. We will add monitoring and IPv6 support to our Droplet. If you have any script that you like to auto-run when the Droplet is booted first time, then you can also check the user data option, and on production, it is also recommended to enable backups. Now, you can optionally edit your server's hostname. You can also add some tags to your server, which will help you in the future to manage multiple servers in a single account. Then select the project where this Droplet belongs. Finally, click on Create Droplet. Wait for a few minutes until your server is fully created. Now copy the IP address of the server and log into the server via the SSH command. In our case, our username will be root. Once you enter the command and press enter, then it will ask if you want to add the Droplet's IP address to the known host. Type yes and press enter. Then it will ask you for your password. Enter your password, and congratulations. Now, we are inside our new server. Hopefully, you have enjoyed my tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments section. If this video helps you to create your server, then please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you want to support us, or want to get the pre-access to the video tutorials, then please be a member of our Patreon community.